Hi everyone, it's Phil here from businessofblogs.com. So last video that we did, we connected our blog to Google Webmaster using XML sitemaps. Now that's all well and good sending your content through to Google, but what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how you can maximize how every single bit of content you send across can look, making sure Google puts it in the right place and makes it look its best. So we're going to be talking about rich snippets. Hopefully you like it. Comment, share, do the normal thing. Go and check our website out, but most of all, keep blogging. Right, so here we are on our own blog. So, this isn't staged, this is our own blog here. So we are showing you how we're setting up, as well as obviously how you can set up your own blog as well. So first thing we're going to do, plugins on the left hand side, we're going to click on add new, and we're going to come across to the keywords section. So type in rich snippets, there we go. Click enter. So as you see, there's quite a lot of potential plugins here. If you're looking for something which is like an all-in-one, I would definitely recommend Rank Math. It's very, very good. But what we're going to do today is we're going to be looking at specifically rich snippets, and this plugin in the middle, Schema all-in-one, is also very good as well. So we're going to add this one, and then we're going to activate. These are the different types of content that Google finds. So do you know when you do a search and videos come up, it's because it knows it's a video. When you come up to events or you come up to recipes, etc., they look amazing and they generally come up first in Google search. It's because the blog or the site is telling Google this is what it is, and Google goes, great, I don't even have to do any hard work. So let's have a look through this plugin. Now I've not used this plugin for a long time because it's the first thing I do when I build a new website. So let's go to rich snippets and configuration. So we're going to click on configuration here, and we're going to go through. So bear in mind this is full in-depth advanced configuration. If you want to change it, change it. But again, this is default. From the plugin. The plugin is recommending that you keep this in here. Now if you do recipes and you want to be a bit quirky, you can change the defaults in here, so when you create a new recipe, your details will be pulled through, but I would just leave the configuration alone. Again, with customization, coloring, change the coloring if you want to, but main thing, just get involved. Just start working here. So we're going to go to post, and we're going to just show you a sample post. So we're going to call it test rich snippets, and I'm just going to put a few things in there. Just below we've got configure rich snippet. Now this is where you tell Google exactly what it is and give them specifics. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's say we're doing a recipe, okay? So we're going to click that, and we're going to go down to recipe. So, what are you cooking? I don't know. Homemade. It's going to make me hungry now. Homemade cookies, chocolate chip. Author name. This would be you, or it could be, it could be a famous chef. If you're using one of their recipes, for example. Time required, preparation, 1H, 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Cook time, do 1 hour, and total time, obviously 2 hour 30 minutes. It shows you on the right hand side what format that wants. A little bit of a description that you want to type in here. Obviously keyword generated would be fantastic. And then we're looking at nutrition and ingredients as well. And then last of all, a recipe photo. Now if I just open up Google and I type in chocolate chip cookie recipe, So what we've got here, as you can see under recipes at the top, we've got a recipe. We've got the minutes and we've got some details. So Google has known that these are recipes and they are recommending them at the top. So they're getting all of the great people coming to their site, all the great visitors and stats that you would expect, because they've made sure that Google looks at them as a recipe, which means that as a visitor, I'm looking for recipes, I'm going to go click on the first thing that I come to, which is these, and they look great. So if you are creating content, you want to make sure that Google is ranking you highest. So I would highly recommend you look at rich snippets and include them in your WordPress website, and just spend the extra couple of minutes to make sure Google is ranking you exactly where you want. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much. If you can like, share, comment below if this is really changing the way that you blog, and of course carry on blogging. Cheers everyone. Thanks very much.